Hi, let's learn 7 days of the week. Monday. Monday, magic. Tuesday. Tuesday, tiger. Wednesday. Wednesday, wonderful. Thursday. Thursday, thunder. Friday. Friday, fun. Saturday. Saturday, smile. Sunday. Sunday, sunshine. Sunday, sunshine. Okay, let's repeat again. Start. Monday is magic. Tuesday is tiger. Wednesday is wonderful. Thursday, thunder. And Friday is fun. Saturday, Sunday is sunshine. Thank you for watching.